Have you ever wondered why McLaren didn't simply build a faster P1? Because the 2026 McLaren W1 was never meant to be its successor. It was designed to rewrite what a modern hypercar could become. While most manufacturers are chasing outrageous horsepower figures and record-breaking top speeds, McLaren took a completely different route. They asked a far more important question. What if the fastest car isn't the one with the biggest number, but the one that gives the driver absolute confidence at the limit? That's exactly where the story of the W1 begins. At the heart of the W1 is an all-new twin-turbocharged V8 working alongside an advanced hybrid system, producing a combined 1,275 horsepower. But the real breakthrough isn't the power itself. It's how that power is delivered. The electric motor instantly fills the gap before the turbos reach full boost, creating razor-sharp throttle response that feels almost telepathic. Instead of waiting for acceleration, the car reacts the moment the driver touches the pedal, making every corner exit feel effortless. Yet McLaren's engineers knew power alone would never create another legend. Every extra kilogram slows braking, dulls steering, and reduces agility. That's why the W1 was engineered around an entirely new carbon fiber architecture designed to keep weight under control despite its hybrid technology. The result is a hypercar that changes direction with astonishing precision, allowing drivers to carry incredible speed through corners instead of relying only on straight-line acceleration. Then comes the aerodynamics, and this is where the W1 begins to feel more like a Formula One machine than a traditional road car. Its active rear wing constantly adjusts itself. The underbody channels airflow to generate massive downforce, and every surface has been shaped to balance grip with efficiency. At high speeds, the car isn't simply cutting through the air. It uses the air to push itself harder into the road, creating stability that inspires confidence long before reaching its limits. Inside, McLaren has resisted the temptation to fill the cabin with unnecessary luxury. The cockpit is clean, lightweight, and completely focused on the driver. Every control is positioned to reduce distraction, every display prioritizes performance, and the seating position places you low within the carbon chassis, making the car feel like a natural extension of your body, rather than just another machine. The most fascinating part is that the W1 isn't trying to beat every rival by chasing headlines. It's chasing something much harder to achieve, creating an unforgettable driving experience. In a world where hypercars compete through bigger numbers, McLaren is reminding everyone that true greatness isn't measured by horsepower alone. It's measured by the confidence, precision, and emotion a car delivers every single time you get behind the wheel. And if McLaren has achieved that goal, then the W1 isn't just replacing the legendary P1. It may have already earned the right to become the next legend itself.